Hey loves, we're gonna finish our spray painting we've done. Hey loves, we're gonna finish our spray painting that we've been doing. I believe it's dry now. We just unboxed the Teamco mop this time. And yeah, let's go to finish up and see what it looks like. If we need to touch anything up, and for sure we need to do the upside down, the breakfast in bed tray. So yeah, let's do it. Let's start with that one, just to see if it's completely good. There. Looks good. Okay. We are done with that one completely. Now let's turn, this is it dry? Yeah, it's dry. Let's turn it over. Okay. I'm not gonna probably, unless I have leftover, I don't think it's necessary to do under the table, but I will do the legs. Looking really good. Okay. Beautiful. I could honestly, to like fill in this kind of ugliness, if someone were to turn it over, it would look ugly. What I could do is also put cute little hearts, like get like a sticker thing, a cheap like sticker book, and put like cute little, like almost like a collage with like heart stickers. And so when someone sees under it, they just see a whole bunch of love. But really it's a tray for making someone breakfast in bed when they're sick or for their birthday or something. But if they look under, they're like, oh, the hearts of love. I could do that, like another DIY. I just thought of that right now. Would it stick on this? I feel like the sticker would stick because it's kind of running out, so we could try to put a thin white layer and then stickers on top of it, or I could go buy more paint. It's not a big deal, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. I'm gonna do the little ends of it too, like the little leaves. I feel like that side needs more on this trim. Really good. Over right there. Little pet peeves. Little bit flying over. Make sure that's the only side. A little bit teeny bit. Just touch it. Kind of seems like it's sucking up the water in the things, or sorry, the paint. So I'm still seeing the wood through even when it gets super wet. It's very interesting. I don't like that. Ooh, I just hit that. Maybe I'll spray it. Oh, it's that chalk. It's like not actually wood. It's like a cheap wood. So you see how those little... I have to put stickers or something under there. I'm gonna have to. I don't like how that looks. It's like, it looks like chalk. Looks cheap. Looks really good. I don't know why it dries like that. You see how it's drying and it's like still brown in the end, even after just being white? It's almost like the wood is like sucking the paint in. Stay white. Good. We're gonna definitely put like stickers and make it like more personal of a breakfast board. We'll get like heart stickers, cute ones. I'll look it up on Amazon if there's like a sticker book or something. Because if I were to spray it all white, it would just be like, it looks like it's like cardboard, like it looks gross. There's something on it. Oh, wait a minute. Getting there. It's almost. I just realized I need to save some. When we close it, the part that I just opened up the legs is gonna be wood. Because when I fold it, it's gonna fold back. So let me keep some leftovers. There's still some. We'll let this dry and then we'll close them, the flaps, to then get the wood part. Again, I can go get another can. It's not like I'm not gonna have another project. Most likely I'm gonna have another project, so it's gonna be okay in the end, but still. We wanna use the can upright and not over put multiple on. If it's not needed and it's already white, looks good. Cute clothes. Actually, one part I would say, let me add a little bit more. Oops, wrong can. Maybe here. That's perfect. Now it's perfect. Yay. Okay, we're done, and then we'll just wait till it dries. These ones should be good to go. I'm just going to give it till it gets dark. Then we'll take it inside and put the racks on, and we'll be finished with the rack project for good. Right, Chloe? They're both smooth now. Beautiful. We did it. I love it. Okay, loves. We finished. Oops, I touched my hair with the paint. I got paint in my hair. That whole patch, I knew I touched it, but my hair was in the way. So it is what it is. We're gonna do the shopping haul next. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.